In getting the law of attraction to work for you, here is what you need to learn, plain and simple. People usually don't start to explore remedy for anything which is affecting them until the things get so painful, one way or another, raining on their parade, or until they're forced to find a solution, or until their lives no longer work. You will hear them say, I need to find myself. This usually occurs after they've tried many other materialistic remedies, like new sports car or cars, change husbands or wives or partner, lose weight. Some even do drugs or turn to alcohol. And as you're aware, the solutions are not there as well. Some are fortunate to be recommended to seek life coaching training program, as some people in our program did. And after we explore the underpinnings of their situation, we discover that some of them are not all there. Major parts of them are missing. They are like Swiss cheese, full of holes. Holes which, if they don't regain, may rain on their parade of life until their death. When we explain to them that the need to remember themselves is a crucial part of why they're feeling like they need to find themselves. If you explore this issue, you will agree with me that when something is full of holes, it is not complete, and you may not have the true picture of what it is. So you may not know what to do with what you don't know. And it is unlike a jigsaw puzzle which has what the final picture looks like. In issue clearing life coaching training, you have to discover the pieces where they fit, and you proceed through the discovery in the training and clearing of issues, right? After exploration and clearance of their deep issues, through our life coaching issues clearing training, they enjoy realizing their need for more remembrance because they are lighter as they acquire the desire to do so. Desire to remember yourself is what sets the ball rolling naturally. It is said that you shall ask and it shall be given. Things are just waiting for you to ask for them to get what you desire in life. But what you get is what you are. It is easy to think that you get what you ask for. Yeah, you get a resemblance of that, but what you really get is what you are. That, my friend, is the real law of attraction in action. When you ask, you must ask constantly. Not like a parrot, but you ask from your heart of hearts. It's like a yearning for it. It is almost like a loving feeling with the undertone of knowingness that when you receive your desire, by remembering yourself, things will be different, that your life will be complete. Now, as you remember yourself, you will recognize your talents. It is a most powerful experience. Recognizing your experience will lead you to choosing the best things for you to do to be successful in a fast, natural way, since it is the real most complete you making the choice. You will master your subconscious mind, the subconscious mind which has been reluctant to your dictates and which you have now stayed true to from your constantly changing your mind. Now you will never be poor again, since you will come to understand the genius mind you have and has been part of it are missing, forgotten, like the parts of the whole in Swiss cheese. And with this, your mind will change. With remembering, you will gain incredible knowledge about things naturally. You will become aware of many things hidden from you in plain sight. And this incredible knowledge will lead you to your fortune by attracting what you are. The people perpetrating the law of attraction have not been most completely clear, I would say, as to the deep reason why the law worked for some and not for others. And with proper coaching, issue clearing, remembering, and patience, you will come to be the person who you are meant to be naturally. And you can then go from there to shaping yourself into the person you would like to be. After you become who you would like to be, it is inevitable for you to vibrate in the frequency of who you are, which automatically fulfills to you what you desire. That, my friend, is how the law works. You cannot give what you do not have, and you can only get who you are. Even the people who won the lottery still became broke and poor after the fact because they could not hold on to the money and their new status as being rich, which is not who they are. So they go back to the level of who they really are by losing all their winnings, right? As you remember yourself, you will be more motivated, alert, be powerfully motivated easily as yourself, complete in your power. You will become wealthy naturally. Money will flow to you like crazy. You will not be the same, especially not your brain, as your mind influences your reality.
Thank you for watching thus far. Hope we contribute substantially to you as we intend to do. If you subscribe to our channel, you'll be promptly notified of our new videos. Give us thumbs up only if you can help, but give up thumbs up. Below shows the links for mastermind sessions and group interaction areas. One-on-one coaching for you as you desire at www.xbrosserve.com. Click the links below. Cheers!